Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to add clickable links in Instagram posts. Sometimes you want to make your Instagram posts more engaging by adding clickable links. This is a great way to guide your followers to your website, shop, blog, or any page you want them to visit. By adding links, you can increase traffic, promote products, or share important information directly from your posts. Here's a simple way to do it. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner to create a new post. Now, tap on Post. Select the image you want to upload and then tap Next. Here, you can adjust or edit the photo to make it look perfect, then tap Next again. In the caption section, type your message and add your clickable link. After that, tap on Share to publish your post. Finally, go back to your profile and open the post to check it. Make sure everything looks good and the link is included for your followers to see. Adding clickable links in your posts can help direct your followers to your website, shop, or any page you want them to visit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.